So I start by giving the journey distance, which in my case is about 14 kilometers per day to and fro, and I give the mileage of my vehicle. Let's say I take a car which gives me a mileage of around 12 kilometers per liter, and I say calculate. So that gives me 11.06 tons of carbon, which is emitted, the equivalent carbon dioxide which is emitted into the atmosphere due to this journey. And it tells me that I will be needing 2 liters of petrol to travel this distance, which is an equivalent of 20 credits, so that I will know that if I want to travel so much, I have a minimum of 20 credits in my account, and I can plan my monthly usage based on this. So I will need around 600 credits per month to travel this distance every day. So this was as far as the footprint, the journey footprint calculator was concerned. Apart from this, there is also a full-fledged footprint calculator which calculates your carbon footprint based on your household, based on your style of living and your household activities and your journeys and travel. So this asks for various information like the number of members in your household, your electricity bill, and gas bills, etc., etc., etc. So oil bill, say I have to like $300. Daily travel is again 14 kilometers. Less than 4 hours, I just say 1. More than 4 hours, 1. Nope. Daily cycle. Oil and tin, no. Sorry. So I say find my footprint. So that gives me a numerical value and a comment which I am not really comfortable with, which says that this kind of a lifestyle will be costing me around 49,315 tons of carbon dioxide, and it says that it is a really bad number, and it says that I am on the wrong side. So this essentially gives you a clear picture of your lifestyle and how it needs to be changed to live a greener life, basically. So this was as far as the footprint calculator, the full-fledged footprint calculator was concerned. Another very interesting and the last concept of the software is called as MapIt. MapIt makes use of Microsoft Bing Maps. What it does is, it asks you for a source and a destination of a journey, and it gives you the shortest distance between these two places so that you save on fuel and don't take the wrong routes. And it also tells you the number of liters of petrol needed to travel that distance. So by asking you for the mileage of your vehicle, and gives the equivalent number of credits which you will need as a minimum balance in your account to travel that distance. Now let's see a demonstration of the system. So it says enter the start address here. I live in Bombay and I live in Dadar, so I address. So I say Kolaba, and I give a mileage of about 10 kilometers per liter, and I say calculate route. So this gives me a bird's eye view of the route I need to take, which is advised to me as the shortest route between these two stations, Dadar and Kolaba. So I can move in and pardon my slow internet connection, but I can move in and I can this will so I can I have a road view, and I can choose to label these nice representations of the route I need to take to travel from Dadar to Colaba. And also it tells me that if I take this 12 hours of 10, I need to have 1.23 liters of petrol, which is an equivalent of 13 kilometers. Concept which we have tried to integrate into the system by the use of Bing Maps. So this was as far as the MapIt application was concerned for Kotaku.